In this video, I'll show you how to add members to WhatsApp group. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, go to the group that you want to add members. Tap on this name of the group. So before you add members of a group, you must be admin of a group. So tap on this add. So as you can see now, it will give you all the list of your contacts. All you have to do, just go and select the person that you want to add in a group. So let's say I want to add these people. If you want to add the person, just tap on the person. Tap on the person again. So after you finish just selecting the person that you want to add in the group, tap on this save button. So if you scroll to down, you can see all the people that you added in the group. That's it guys on how to add members in a WhatsApp group. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.